Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with another product review. Do you have sore, achy muscles, tightness, tension? Do you get tension headaches after a long day working at the computer? Tight shoulders, across the shoulders, back, mid-back, anywhere, lower back, leg. Are you a runner? Calf muscles? Do you wear high heels all the time? So I am about to review a really cool massage gun. This is called, as you can see, the Mobility Mallet. The Mobility Mallet is sold by Portland Health Supply Company, and you can certainly check out the link in the description. They sell a lot of different healthcare products, but this review is about their Mobility Mallet, and it comes in a nice bag like this, and when we open it up, you can see right in here that we have the Mobility Mallet. And there's a couple of cool features on this. They have a newer one that heats up. So and does the massage, which is really beneficial. More heat to the area, it improves more blood flow, which is why we do massage anyway. So it's just going to enhance the effects of the massage gun, the heated element. But super easy to use. You just snap on. It comes with the ball. It comes with a little bag here of other handles. And this one, the two-pronged for mobility and gets in there really good to those trigger points. This gel, like the blue attachment, that's absorbs some of the blow. And then this one, the flat surface, which is really good for along and near the spine, the one with the chrome top. And I think this is chrome because it can heat up, but I don't have the heated massage gun. Maybe we'll review that another time. And the Mobility Mallet is really neat. This is what I like about this massage gun. Not only does it have 5 different intensities, and it's super easy. You just press the button, hold it down, and then you press it again a couple times to increase it. And then hold the button down for 3 seconds and it shuts it off. Now, again, I use this with the chrome attachment, the flat round attachment around the spine and across the shoulders, and I do this in the morning. But the beauty of this gun is you press the button on the side and you can change the angle. How cool is that? So if you need to reach your back, you can reach your back with this. You're able to reach areas with this massage gun that you wouldn't normally be able to reach with a massage gun. And this goes from 0 to 45 to practically straight there, okay? It's got 3 different locking positions, very effective for reaching different areas of the body. Now, we've done other product reviews from this company, the Portland Health Supply Company up in Portland, Maine, but this is the Mobility Mallet. If you want to check out some of their other products, which are linked to the Mobility Mallet, you can actually take this Mobility Mallet and attach it to the wall and stop asking your partner to massage you. And I've done a product review on that. Make sure you check out that product review. That is called the Myo Mount. Thanks for tuning in.